Community leaders, health experts, and activists have teamed up to launch the Masks for the People campaign to help communities of color battle the virus.
Eyewitness News reporter Courtney Carter spoke to a local doctor about the campaign and the challenges and roadblocks minorities are facing in this fight.
While there have been no official stats released yet, Johns Hopkins University has released data showing the effect coronavirus has taken on the minority community. Hashtag Mask for the People campaign wants to get protective masks in the hands of every person of color nationally, as well as information. Dr. Carla C. Maria, a surgeon with Brown Surgical Associates, says she is doing her part to spread that campaign.
We covered down on Rhode Island,
Making informative pandemic videos for the Cape Verdean community in Creole. She says with most local and national press conferences in English, minorities and immigrants can't know the correct information if they don't know what is being said.
we have to be very mindful of the fact that our community here in Rhode Island, we're very diverse.
Other factors besides language barriers are allowing the pandemic to affect Black and Latino communities harder. The U.S. Surgeon General spoke to CBS News about racial and ethnic minorities being more likely to live in a densely populated area, occupy lower wage jobs that do not offer paid sick leave or the option to work from home, as well as having less access to health insurance and underlying health conditions.
For example, African Americans have a higher rate of high blood pressure, higher rate of diabetes.
President Trump and Dr. Fauci both addressed the issue in a press conference Tuesday.
There's a real problem, and it's showing up very strongly in our data on the African American community.
And closer to home in the Bay State, Senator Kennedy wrote an open letter to the Department of Health. I am writing regarding recent reporting showing that communities of color across Massachusetts and the country are disproportionately hit by this pandemic. While these stories are horrifying, they are not surprising because these inequities persist past COVID-19. Now, the doctor tells me that herself, along with other doctors and community organizers, are hosting a virtual town hall on coronavirus tomorrow online. If you're interested in that information, you can head to WPRI.com. In Providence, I'm Courtney Carter, Eyewitness News.